Florida road tripping. On my channel, I'll be sharing places I travel and visit in Florida and beyond. Hello everyone. In this video, I'll take you through the Marion County Airport located in Dunnellon, Florida. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. At the Marion County Airport, you can learn to fly several types of aircrafts under their different programs they have available. Whether professionally or recreationally, if flying is something you desire, definitely check out this airport if you're in the Dunnellon area. Some of the subjects in their program are aeronautical knowledge and FAA knowledge tests, pre-solo training in the airplane, solo training, flying to other airports, cross-country training, practical preps, and more. And these are just some of the drones that they created at this airport. If flying is not something that interests you, they also offer skydiving through Central Florida Skydiving. This is definitely something I'm planning to try out myself in the near future, so stay tuned for those videos. Well everyone, we've come to the end of another video. I do hope that you did enjoy. Stay tuned to my channel to see where I'll go next. Until next time, bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.